you can pull this clear string and it tightens up the back. Perfect to put your hair into a ponytail. Guess who went shopping? Me. I love their packaging. Wig. Okay, now there's a lot of goodies. Let's run through it really quick. These are some little butterfly clips. That's really cute. Okay, so it's a melt band with the ear cushion. Because if you leave this melt band on too long, your ears and your head will start hurting. An edge brush, some hairpins, gold and black. Some lashes. They look thin, wispy, and natural. I like that. A wig cap. Some glue strips. Let me find out. This is a bonnet and a robe. Talk about luxury. Okay, and the lace is already cut. Maybe they did that. Lace pre-cut, not bleached. And it is a frontal. It's actually a 360 wig because you have lace all around the back area. And you know the other thing, usually in other wigs you'll have adjustable straps right here that is sewn onto the wig. Here you do not have that extra bulkiness, so it could be really seamless when we go to put in the ponytail. And it does have these clear straps to tighten up the back. Pull these straps and it tightens up the back of the wig. Okay, so let me go ahead and prep my hair really quick and then we will install this baddie on our baddie. Okay, so I went ahead and put my hair into a ponytail. See here, you can pull this clear string and it tightens up the back. Perfect to put your hair into a ponytail. And then you will take these clear stoppers at the top and pull those down to lock it into place. And I'll do that on both ends. Pull it down to lock it into place. Perfect. Let's put it on. It's gonna be a snug fit. And the lace has already been pre-cut, so I don't have the extra lace in the front to pull on. So, alright, so I have some extra lace. I'm just going to cut that off. Real jagged, you know. Alright, now some makeup. It's by Ruby Kisses and Chestnut in the color 8. Ooh. Ooh. Just like that. Okay, my wig is still lifting in some areas, so I'm going to use this Fantasia spray and dry it section by section, little by little. My melt band with my ear pieces on it. I never had this before. Alright. Cool. It's not sticky or anything. Perfect. So, like, I know I want to put it up into a ponytail, but I love these little clips that they sent me. Oh, this hair is gorgeous. Like, forget a ponytail, baby. Okay. What I gotta do? Okay, so I am going to use these little butterfly clips because they're so cute. But the only thing is, I want to do 4 twists and I only have 3 of the lavender colors. So I don't know. I'm going to figure it out. Let's swoop out some baby hair though, because I really want baby hair. So just watch me style my hair. Okay, now let me struggle with these, cause baby, whew. Okay, baby hair done. She looks so cute. Section out what I want for my twist. Good enough. You hear me? All right, now let's do the ponytail. I'm so happy I'm back team baby hair because the internet won. Everyone, the baby hair don't look good. You shouldn't do baby hair. Da, 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 da. Give me the baby hair. This is a lot of hair. All right, so the wig is pulled down where I would like it to be. Now I'll go ahead and take my clear string and pull it, which will tighten it, and then pull up the clear stopper so it'll stay right there. And now I will tuck clear string. So boom, let's do the other side, then tuck. See? And since I'm putting this into a high ponytail, I want to just take out a little bit of the back hair all around the edges, pull that out. Yeah, that's as good as it's gonna get. All right, now let me do these twists really quick. All right, with the two clips, it's really pretty. It gives, I'm going for a swim. And you see here with this 360 unit, you can pull it up into a ponytail. All right, y'all, I went back and changed it and did the twist. I don't know, I just wasn't feeling the braids, and I think the twist just looked a lot better. I'm still not happy, hold on. This is it. This the finished look, I'm happy, period. Okay, I love this look. I love it. I just took the two pieces and twirled it up into a little bantu knot, I guess you can say. Thank you. Child, let me tell you, that chlorine water took this wig right up off my head, baby. But the curls, you see, they still there. But this,